we dealing with textured skin, oily skin, hyperpigmentation? Well, today we're going to be diving into a K-beauty staple. It is the TIAM Vita B3 Source Serum. I've been using this serum for quite a while now. I've been testing it and I'm going to be reviewing this serum in this video. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're absolutely welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, hello girl, how you doing? If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It is absolutely free. Give me a thumbs up and let's jump right into the video. So what exactly does this serum contain? This serum is a high performance serum. It is a powerhouse. It contains niacinamide and arbutin. Niacinamide is very good for oil control. So if you're an oily skin girly, niacinamide is very good. And if you also have enlarged pores, niacinamide will help to reduce your pores. It's going to minimize your pores. And it also contains arbutin, which is a natural brightener. So this serum is very good if you have oily skin and if you are looking to just brighten up and even out your skin tone. This serum has a watery, lightweight consistency. It is very light. It's not heavy at all. You saw like when I showed the texture of the serum, it is very lightweight, so it just sinks into your skin. It absorbs into your skin very easily. So right now I'm going to apply this serum on my skin. So I'm just going to take it in the dropper bottle and make sure the dropper bottle doesn't touch your skin. So this is how I apply it. Can you see how lightweight it is? Very, very lightweight. And you can see how it sinks into the skin. And it gives this instant glow. I'm sure you can see it. So I've been using this serum in my morning routine. So after about a month, I noticed that my enlarged pores were minimizing, because I used to really have enlarged pores and I used to have like little rashes on my skin, but after a month they really reduced and my skin felt smoother. And after about 2 months it started to even out my skin. It didn't really brighten it up. Like if you have like very stubborn dark spots, this product is not going to like brighten very stubborn dark spot like melasma, hyperpigmentation, but this product is good if you have textured skin. So that is what I experienced. I've been using this product for about 5 months now, and this is my update, my review about it. And this product contains 10% niacinamide. That is a high concentration of niacinamide. So if you're trying it for the very first time, make sure you do a patch test in case you have very sensitive skin. But I doubt it really do anything, but you know, people differ. People have lots of differences on their skin. If you're looking for an affordable product that is going to even out your skin tone, control oil production, help with your pores, help minimize your pores, then this product is for you. And it is affordable. It costs about 11,000 naira in Nigeria, depending on where you're actually getting it from. But if you have very stubborn dark spots and melasma, very stubborn hyperpigmentation, this product will help, but it alone cannot do that for you. You will need other products, other brightening products like Alpha Arbutin, like kojic acid, like tranexamic acid. I mean, for a 40 ml container, it is quite affordable, and this can last you for 2 months. Okay, it is very, very affordable. This is 40 ml, so it is quite big and it is going to last you for about 2 months, and it is good. Have you tried this serum before, or have you tried any products from TIAM? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I believe that this video was helpful. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It is absolutely free. Also click the like button so that YouTube can recommend my video to other people to make it helpful for them. Also turn on the bell notification so anytime I post a video, you'll be notified. I'll see you all beautiful people in my next video. Bye.